A group of local residents, along with their driver, were physically assaulted and attacked by unidentified miscreants while returning home from a picnic. The incident took place at Takarjala area. Following the incident, the injured individuals were immediately transported to a local hospital for medical treatment. According to official reports, a group of local residents accompanied by their family members were returning from an outing at the Takarjala Panga area when they were intercepted and physically assaulted by unidentified miscreants. The assailants targeted both the family members and their vehicle driver during the attack. Following the incident, all injured individuals were promptly evacuated to a nearby medical facility where they are currently receiving treatment. Local authorities have initiated investigation into the matter.
Social worker khane borok dini bukha sarangai tongthogoi sung dini picnic spot thangka je paila banga wo garap picnic spot thangai akoi sung phirogoi phaika arne duskari rok ta muklaika sono singari rogo kawoi sung thana nongko dihma baise borok sumai tokra tukring laika angmani pore wo sini driver tinjona tongo tinjona no borok khiklaioi bukha bumani bisingo sung to phano bongno saka tamni no bu haingo go buri no bo kisi misa restaurant khlaika ani logi bo tongo an logi no bo daga sopa khlaika an bu saka kiri jage kabui tongha gai borok sini driver nugui tongmalia tom driver je singtlang mo borok nugui tongmalia borok phaioi mana khlaitini wo driver no bo borok yakti saka yakti saman pore sung saka bongno yakti sama salia jengmani paile sinai hinai sung ঠিক আছে driver bo bukhamani uni phaika abon pore wo teise suno Takarjala tei phanto parao ke suno kasui chini driver tom driver Khorang no bukha yakti saka gan bagai abon nayo bongno je kasui bunai rono sase khane bagai.
The driver, identified as a resident of Khorang, sustained severe injuries during the assault and is currently receiving critical medical care.
Je gothanang mani abo जों साना थांखे चिनि ताकारजला एमएलए बरम गनां दा बिसिजित बिनि एरिया आबन यागलो एमडीसी स्रस बिनि एरिया खबजागो बे खरमैना आइंनि एरियानि ओंखाय आं कयना तै चिनि सोसाइटिनि थ्रु हयते जों ब्रक नो रिक्वेस्ट खायनाय ओ गथना न जेसा खलाइबो मालायै बिसि दिन बालु ग्यावै बिसि दिन दै ग्यावै अबनो मेचुअल क्लाइरी मांखा सावो aboni bagai sini society no hoite koimung judina abo no judina sini koimung no borok accept khali hangke aboni double step sini society no hoite bosung na hajangnai karon obo ma hake tungphalai tongmano जों saimano जों tabu bo control tongo thanai bahaino sini gabardi area rogo bahaino sini gari rono kobama ma hake gotna khlaika tabu जों taisuk tonglak judi soino borok sini area ni hayake sini driver picnic thanai rokno kasi buka abo belai khe saya chungbo khlaimano abo khe chini warning chungbo khlaimano judino chung tabo khumlung tongnai ro chung judino Takarjala jompui paila banga ni re khlai laikya kaso laikhe tamungainai o belai khe sitranai ingya abu yang ni mano abon bogani koimung tongnai chini leaders niti tuli tongnai rokno immediate obono tei chini society soho je ab bororok ab para paila magani bororok je bunai rok chung saimaka sab tong jotono tongo chini tini vehicle number bo tongo ang obonoti sing inquiry bo khainai aboni bagai jasa khlaibo obonoti asugoi সংশোধন khlaiei mutual khlaiei hambai tongmangkha chao obono chini hoite chini society no hole kaisa request tongnai judino oba hai ingya hangke oboni bikolpo lama sing thanani bagai ready tong
Reported by Ashish from Khorang, Chini Khorang.